Hi everybody, I'm back. I made more stitch markers again. We have milkshake, princess, shell, skull, shell, different kind of shell. Princess, shell, heart, skulls, princess, and milkshake. Many of the stones are real. I have, for instance, rose quartz. I have some green agate. I've got some, oh, let me see, I got some green jade. I got some moonstone. I got some quartz, carnelian, smoky quartz, yellow agate. So yeah, there's a lot of stones in there. You'll have to forgive my camera. It's not the best. But I hope you enjoy these stitch markers. If you see anything you like, please drop me an email. CrazyEngineHooker@gmail.com. Have a great day.